Yan na, sir.
Best dress ever.
Sir.
Sir.
Sir, sabay-sabay na kayo.
Sabay-sabay na po. Sino ka po? Ayan na.
Yes. Please.
Sir, I love your outfit. Best dress ever.
Forever.
Hi! Hello! Magandang hapon po. Yeah.
Maganda ba ang hapon?
Yay! Good news.
I'm sorry ba? Bakit may sabi?
Depends din yan.
James, ako ba siya?
Doon ka, ma'am. Pasok ka, ma'am.
Ano lang ko sa mic for Arvin.
Sige, ma'am. Pasok, ma'am. Sige po lang ako, ma'am.
Ako ba ano to? Ano tayo? Wire? Sorry.
Pare. Sorry. No worries. Wait lang, ma'am. Hindi lang.
Pwede ba ilagay sa ano? Pwede ba pa?
Ay, sorry. Ay, nakikita ba? Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, Attorney Sal, your assessment po dito sa defense submission ni Attorney Nick Kaufman.
The prosecution theory has been shattered to pieces. You know why? Because the very testimonial evidence and documentary evidence presented by the prosecution have been thoroughly rebutted by, let's go to the testimonial evidence, contradictions between and among the so-called witnesses, even contradictions with the witness himself or herself. At sabi, puro batay or based on hearsay, double hearsay, speculation, surmises. Yun naman sa documentary evidence, sinabi ko na kanina yun, yung the very document na pininisinta nila para ipakita yung murderous intent, saka yung tinatawag nilang community or conspiracy between the president and PNP, sumabog din sa mukha nila kasi yung dokumentong circular na sinasabi nila yun ang command to kill, lumalabas, the very document itself shows na nakalagay doon, if you have to arrest, you have to do it in accordance with law. Kaya sumabog sa mukha nila lahat. Of course, the prosecution is saying na maganda yung kanilang presentasyon. But they are entitled to their imagined satisfaction of their presentation.
So,
Yes.
Short, sir.
In short, bagsak sila. If the resolution of the International Criminal Court on the basis of evidence, they dismiss that person.
Or what could be other basis ng ICC for doing otherwise yung decision?
Ito na papasok yun. Kasi there are many people who have watched the series very hopeful in this case. Kasi, ang problema, this court decision jurisdiction when there is not. Violation of the Rome Statute. Secondly, despite the fact that the defense has raised the issue of jurisdiction, the matter of withdrawing, bakit nila sinimulan pa ang confirmation of charges? And that's part of the proceeding. Ibig sabihin, we're afraid that it might have prejudged the case. Pero kung ebidensya lang pag-uusapan ko, if you're objective enough, hindi ka bias, hindi dismiss mo kaso.
So dito sir, hindi kayo nakatulog sa submission kasi di ba sa mga nakaraang araw sa sir nakatulog?
Kaya actually, nakakatulog ko dahil sa jet lag. Nagkataon naman sa presentasyon ng mga prosecution. Saka isa pa, paulit-ulit lang naman yung mga kasinungalingan nila. Yan di ba sinasabi yung isang abogado nun, there is a virus of immunity. And di ba sagot kagad, Because of the environs of lies that they have been propagating all these years.
Sir, the defense will have another 30 minutes tomorrow. What do you hope to hear, or what do you expect to hear from Attorney Kaufman and Dov Jacobs?
Yes, pero he will be elaborating what he has started today.
No further arguments aside from those raised already?
Depende kung meron pang isang issue na niraise ang prosecution na hindi niya pa natatouch.
Sir, yesterday, sorry, ate ko muna.
Sir, anong future nito doon sa pending pa rin na question sa jurisdiction kung ito gumulo na yung hearing ng confirmation of charges? So, I mean, dito sir, may pending na appeal pa si Attorney Kaufman dun sa question ng jurisdiction. And yet, the confirmation of charges hearing has happened.
Exactly, kaya nga we are afraid na iba ang lumabas na resolution instead of this case.
Let's say you had the upper
We're hoping for the best and expecting the worst.
Sir, tomorrow the place of detention will also be reviewed by the pre-trial chamber 1. Meron po bang particular request yung defense counsel, let's say per se, change the place of detention of the former president?
Not that we know.
Attorney Cox did not delve too much into the jurisdiction arguments. I think there might be the decision.
Jurisdiction can be raised at any stage of the proceeding, even at the end of the trial. So wala problem.
Sir Attorney, I am curious until when is the duration of the process of this defense case? If the ICC has cited, how long it will take?
Hindi
Be
natin
decided for a while.
we do not know exactly
How
kailan
many
matatapos.
So, Attorney Sal, you have this apprehension na ICC nagka-judge already.
Well, you cannot escape that apprehension kasi nga, because of the jurisdiction issue, we've been founding that you have violated your own principle of complementarity, which is the very core of jurisdiction of the ICC to all member states. Kaya medyo takot ka na eh. Tapos, niraise na nga yung issue ng jurisdiction at tuloy-tuloy mo pa yung mga nare-resolve natin dito. But we hope that the court will do its duty to resolve the case on the basis of merit. Kasi if on the basis of merit, yung dokumentong prinisent ka nila, dokumentong destroying its own clause. At yung testimonial evidence naman, takot na double hearsay, multiple pa nga eh. Sila nagkukontrol, pati yung sarili, gaya no, di ba, narinig ka kanina, yung isa was testifying na pinatay niya through knife. Pagkatapos subsequently, sinabi pa rin. Tapos yung iba naman testigo din, never naman gumamit ng baril. Doon lang makikita mo na kagagawan natin.
So, yung sinasabi, yung charge na inutos, implemented, may mga reward man, allegedly, and all these accusations, na-rebut lahat yun.
Yes, kasi nga, hindi ba sinasabi ni Attorney Kaufman? Walang direct link eh. Walang testigo na nagsasabi na inutusan siya. Puro sabi ni ganito, sabi ni ganyan, sabi ng driver, nagaling doon sa isang driver din o galing din sa isang security. Kaya walang kaso.
But despite that, Attorney Sal, you're not yet hindi ito mauuwi sa confirmation.
As I said, on the basis of evidence, you're confident. Pero kung titignan mo yung ibang aspect, hindi-isip ka.
Sir, ano yung pinaka-strong argument na inilahad ni Attorney Kaufman para sa inyo?
Yes, it's not. Yung testimonial documentary evidence have been shattered to pieces. Nasira ka ng sila.
Bukod sa issue ng jurisdiction, Attorney Sal, meron pa po kayong gusto sana hopefully na ilatag ni Kaufman sa kanyang presentasyon.
Nilatag ka na nga natin. Kasi yung kaso, you can win a case on the basis of your testimonial and documentary evidence. Pag nasira ka doon, kalimutan mo na yung kaso. Tanggapin mo na yung pagkitaan.
Sir, we know you're here to observe, but nonetheless, hindi mag-ebas mo sa mga abogado, you do have an input doon sa naging depensa ng
As I said earlier, Attorney Kaufman made a thorough job on this case. He made a thorough research. He read all the speeches. He went over all the documents. Kaya madali na maribat na.
Hindi mawawala yun. Wala ka di gumawa.
So wala kayong inconvenience dito sa kayong mga defensa?
Well, in the sense na hindi kami nagkakusap-usap, wala kami konklusyon. But if you will listen to him, sinasabi niya na he has been following our careers all these years, naririnig niya yung mga argumento namin sa iba't ibang plataforma, siguro nakatulong din. Pinapuri siya sa amin.
So what's next after this, Attorney Sam?
Umuwi na tayong lahat.
We still have a day more to go.
Hindi, ngayon,
Anong sabi mo, Attorney Delta?
sabay si Presidente.
Sabi na may iuwi.
Yes.
Sige, thank you.
Muna may pangutan na. Sa pag na may pangutan na, mao man ako may pangutan na. Ako pag yung cellphone kina full, alam mo, reset mo nga. Reset mo.
Ako mangutan ako din.
Mga kapiktim sa banda. Thank you sa panonood. Ayan po, tapos na po yung president.
Sorry mo. Ito ara si ko ano, kadtong nakita na nako siya.
Yes, yes.
Si basta, yun ako pastori ka naka-live.
Naka-live.
Shit, na full pag yun akong cellphone gang. It's so irritating na full yung cellphone ko. It really calls for an upgrade. Oh my God. Na full lang akong kuha, na full lang akong cellphone, boy shit.
Next. Ano na lang taron?
Na full akong, anong mix, sige sapot ko, na full akong cellphone, oh.
Di lang lahat ang linya ata, lahat putol ang linya. Sila lahat ang putol. Dili magudto nagkuan kadaghan sila nagkuan next ng private session. Daghan. Dili na putol ang wifi. Uy, unsa naman?
Di, na full lagi akong kuha, na full lang ako ang...
Okay ay lang wifi, nag-private session sila mo nang mawala.
Kaya nga,
sa
nag-private
passing.
session ka, nag-private session. Kung nakita na ako si Kuan, oh,
Si kinsa man?
ni sulod og balik.
Kinsa man?
Si kadtong Kuan, baka ito magpa-interview bitaw na. Yan pa ko na mahadlok daw sila kay parang tora oh. Tora guys. Sa kilid guys. Ay,
Baka sa dunak.
ay sa kanila ka na po.
Libre daw na ni dunak sila.